What's up? So today we're back at the Squeaky Bike Park, working on a little more trail maintenance, and also I'm going to build another berm on the Bull Snake Loop. No, sorry, the Robbery Loop, so we can actually carry a little more speed up and onto the little platform table area to maybe possibly have enough speed to launch off this little rock instead of rolling over it. So we're just kind of trying to get more flow happening on that outer loop, which we call Robbery. And I'm gonna show you guys how to build a pretty good berm. So I'm gonna grab my tools, head out to the trails, and we'll get started. All right, so what I wanna do here is, if you can see, this trail comes up onto the hill and onto the table here. And I wanna add a berm feature right on this corner here to help carry speed right around the corner here, up on the higher end, which is the Robbery Loop, and out towards that little rock rollover. And that allows us to kind of carry our speed in a little bit better corner. So I'm going to show you guys how to take natural terrain and go ahead and build a berm out of that to kind of help carry that speed through. So the goal here is basically to build it up high enough where we can really bank around this corner without having to check any speed or brake check anything. And gets rid of some of these ants too. So let's get started. All right, so now, sorry, I gotta bend lower. So now that I've taken the pickaxe and turned over as much dirt as I need to, I'm gonna start using the shovel, and I'm gonna start shaping this berm up on this side to the left of the camera, back into, it's basically a high berm as I can get, because the bigger it is, the more speed I can carry. I think we can get enough speed from the beginning of this trail to carry a pretty good clip into this berm. So really what I'm doing is I'm just shaping everything up to this side to kind of slope us back into this corner. And that's kind of the idea. I'll turn over the dirt first, use the shovel to kind of shape it. Then I'm gonna come back with a tamper, pack everything down. Because it's so hot and dry right now, we're probably gonna have to use a little bit of water as well. Dirt is tricky to work with. It's not like woodworking, carpentry, or building homes. So you just gotta be less finicky with yourself, understanding the dirt is gonna be more finicky. Okay, so what I do now is I'll come back with the tamper once I've removed most of the dirt from low to high, and I'll start shaping it and packing with the tamper. Then I'm gonna come back with the shovel and really shape it out the way I want. The reason I do that is just to kind of compact that dirt as I'm shaping it. If it's too loose, especially on a day when it's this dry, I'm gonna be fighting with the dirt for the whole time. So I'll get it to a stopping point with the shovel, tamp it to as much of a shape as I can, come back with my shovel to shape it, and then I'll re-tamp it, and then we're pretty good. Like I said, because it's so dry, I'm gonna throw some water on it, turn it back into more of a clay material, shape it some more, and then you kind of play with it till you get it right where you want it. And really, the key is to kind of look at your line and kind of visualize the bike up on that berm as it's going around the corner. And obviously, it's not gonna be perfect till you ride it a few times, but you get it close enough. It's like the rough draft of it. Final draft is after you've ridden the bike. So let's keep tamping and see how it goes. All right, the berm is mostly built. We've had a couple run-ins on it, so now let's go ride it for real and let's see how it does. Hopefully we don't have to tweak it too much. All right, guys, that's it. How to make a berm. Pretty simple. Just a little bit of elbow grease and a lot of sweat, depending on how hot it is outside. I'd like to thank my sponsors and everyone out there supporting this channel. If you want to help out more, make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button, leave your comments below. More videos coming. This is the new series on mountain biking, so I really look forward to kind of putting more of that together. Keep an eye out for those videos. Till next time, guys, I appreciate it, and I'm gonna get back to editing this video. Wow.